me perdí todo, yo creo. Work. That's right. Work. That's right.
Thus.
Work. That's right.
Thus.
Work.
Well guys, here you have another video from Haulover Inlet. This one was one that I really enjoy filming. It was an opportunity that doesn't happen often. The Leopard 31 meters had to abort the first entrance as another boat was just in the right area where he wanted to show up. So as you all saw, he had to veer and go north, and then he made a awesome return, going back through the inlet and all the way to the beach, turning and coming back. As you see, I was the only one there filming that. The other channels, they don't do that, so for me it was great. But also I want to take this opportunity to let you know that if you want me to post more videos, I have a lot of footage and I would like to do this type of short videos for you to enjoy. But I don't know if you are watching videos. It seems that Facebook only pushes reels and the videos are not shown. So if you want me to post more videos, please leave a comment below and I will do that more often. So for now, thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care.